Okay, so hello everyone and welcome to the first video in my playlist Basics of Python Programming. Today we will dive into the essential of Python programming. We will cover key concepts such as commands, importing packages, executing commands and saving output in variables. To make it more interactive, we will also demonstrate these concepts on Google Colab. So let's get it started. First of all, we will discuss what is Python, or we can say that introduction of Python. Python is versatile language used in areas like web development, data science, and even artificial intelligence. It is also beginner friendly with simple syntax and clear structure, making it one of the easiest programming language to learn. So that's all about the Python. Python is very simple language. It has simple syntax. It used various domains like data science, machine learning, AI, and various domains. So that's all about the Python. So move forward to the next topic, basics of Python coding. Let's move into the core of Python programming. We'll start with understanding commands, importing packages, okay, executing commands and working with variables. These are foundational concepts that every Python programmer needs to know. Okay, that's all about the basics of Python coding. So first concept we will discuss is commands. Commands in Python. Okay, commands in Python are a piece of a text that interpreter ignore. They are incredibly useful for adding explanation to your code. For example, here's how. Here's this is a command. After the hash symbol, anything you can use any after the sorry hash. This is command. Anything after the hash sign is not executed. It is considered as a command. Okay. So let's demonstrate this thing into the Google Colab. Okay, this is a command and after it we write print hello world. So this is command is not executed by the Python interpreter. Only executed command is print hello world. Hello world is printed by the Python interpreter. This is command is not executed by the interpreter. That's all about the command. Okay. That's how commands make code easier to understand without affecting functionality. So move forward to the next topic, importing packages. Packages in Python are pre-written libraries that extend the language's capabilities. For instance, the math package provides a mathematical function. Let's see in this section. Switch to the Google Colab. Okay. Okay. So first of all, we need to import math library. After it, print math.sqrt. Okay. Okay. In this example, we import the library math. Okay. Math library have a predefined function sqrt. In this, we provide a argument. We pass the argument 9. It returns the square root of a 9, that is 3.0. So it is the perfect example of importing packages and how to use those packages into your code. So move forward to the next topic. Executing commands. Executing command is the straightforward in Python. Let's try printing a message. Let's try printing a message and performing a calculation. Okay. Executing commands means simply execute the commands. So if we write print hello world, okay, so for executing it we need to click it this symbol. After that, this command is executed by the Python interpreter and the output is hello world. Okay, Executing commands like this forms the building blocks of any Python program. Now move forward to the next topic. Okay, saving outputs in variables. Variables in Python store data that you can use later. Let's see how to use them. Okay, x is equal to 5 plus 3. Print x. Okay, here we stored the result of 5 plus 3 in the variable x and printed it. Variables make your program more dynamic and efficient. This is all about the variables in Python. How can we create the variables and how can store the values in variables. Okay, that how we covered the basics. Here are your next steps. Practice, more write and run more code. Strengthen your understanding. Explore, so look into the advanced concepts like loop and functions. Build start creating your own programs and projects. Thank you for joining me in this introductory session on Python programming. I hope you now feel confident to start writing Python code. Stay tuned for more videos in this playlist. As we explore advanced topics, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below with any questions or suggestion. Comment below with any questions or suggestion. So thank you.